Imagine this. You're running a growing business, juggling leads, customers, and projects. Things are getting messy, and you need a tool to streamline it all. But with so many options, how do you choose the right one? Define your priorities. Start with what matters most. Is it lead tracking, project management, or customer relationships? Knowing this prevents you from getting distracted by unnecessary features. Identify must-have features. What's non-negotiable? If you're into link building, keyword research tools like Ahrefs or SEMrush are a must. Define your essentials. Cost versus value. Don't just chase the cheapest option, look at long-term ROI. Will this tool help you close deals, save time, or scale? If so, it's worth the investment. Plan for growth. Your business will evolve. Choose a tool that scales with you. More users, bigger projects, seamless upgrades. Think ahead. Keep it user-friendly. Complicated tools slow you down. Pick something intuitive that your team can adopt quickly. Check integrations. It should work with your existing systems. CRM, email, project tools. Disconnected workflows lead to frustration. Test before you buy. Use free trials or demos to see if it truly fits your needs. Look into customer support. Even the best tools have issues. Strong support and training resources make a difference. Learn from others, read reviews, case studies, and testimonials from similar businesses. See what worked for them. Follow these steps and you'll find a tool that fits not just today, but for years to come. I've curated 27 business development tools to help. Check them out in the description below. Follow this space for more sales and marketing insights.